Hi, my name's Wayne Powers. Today I want to show you guys how we transformed my old outdated bathroom into what you see here, a new state-of-the-art, very classic, very peaceful, tranquil colors, and we did quite a few enhancements in the bathroom. So what I'd like to do is first introduce the company that was responsible for doing all this great work. That company is GBC Kitchen and Bath. They've done a phenomenal job, as you can see in here. The project manager was Charlie. The overall supervisor for working was Abraham, and they had numerous workers, Douglas, Owen, Eureka. They all were a fantastic group. I got nothing but good things to say about all of them. They showed up to work on time. They took care of the house. They were very clean, very mannerly. Everything that they did was great for our family and great for my schedule because I'm always working. So my parents were here with the workers. Everything was perfect. It ran really well. Charlie was always available via phone call. If I ever needed him, he would come by, he would look at the work. If there was any touch-ups, anything that needed to be made, they were made very quickly and on time. With doing the remodeling, everything was a step-by-step process. They actually came to the house, got the dimensions of the shower here, the bathroom, everything. They got my initial ideas. They gave me some of theirs, and we took those design plans and we put in a 3D drawing. And with doing that, it gave us time for me to be creative, Charlie and his team to be creative before we went to their showroom, worked a little more on the design, and then came up with, okay, here's the final design. That process was very simple and easy. Once we did that, then we were able to say, okay, what we put in the shower was all the vanities, the countertops, the mirrors, the shower, the colors, the tile, everything. We were able to put our stamp on it and design it the way we wanted, and that's kind of what you see now. One last thing I'd like to mention is Barack, the owner of GBC, was very helpful. Once he did the initial walkthrough with Charlie to help get the dimensions and the design. Once we had everything in place, my mom and myself and Barack at his location in Alexandria, we went to the showroom, we picked out all the beautiful colors, tiles, doors, granite tops, everything. Very patient, very respectful. I think we were scheduled for 30 minutes, and I think he sat with us for over 2 hours to go over everything and didn't mind at all, and we were able to finalize everything on the first day. One other thing I'd like to add is not only did we do this bathroom, but in our design, we added all the bathrooms in the house. We did the hallway bath, we did the downstairs bath, and we did the powder room. So everything came together beautifully. As you can see, I have a fantastic master bath now. I can only say that I'm very pleased with the outstanding effort that GBC and Charlie's done for us. I would recommend them to family, friends, and anyone. Great job, and I really appreciate it.